Welcome to Bangkok, the most cosmopolitan, compelling and contrasting of all Asian cities. Right now, I am in Bangkok and it is a sweaty, pulsating, yet smiling metropolis of more than 10 million souls. It is intense but addictive at first. Bangkok certainly lives up to its reputation as a travel hotspot in Southeast Asia. Bangkok, known as the City of Angels, has funky markets, upmarket malls, a riverside full of surprises, a vibrant nightlife scene, many fabulous sights and attractions that reflect its unique heritage, and much, much more. Bangkok's myriad of attractions make it appealing to a diverse demographic of tourists. Are you into shopping? There are plenty of markets and shopping malls like Chatuchak Market and Siam Square to keep you busy. Do you like cultural attractions? Then spend the day exploring the old city, and it's a must-see sight like the Grand Royal Palace and Wat Po. If good food is your thing, then you'll be pleased to know that Bangkok has been declared as the world's best street food city. Bangkok is a widely recognized food city to satisfy the appetites of foodies from all around the world. Along with street food, Bangkok is also a city where restaurants of all levels serving both Thai and an extensive range of international cuisine are flourishing. You can eat modern Thai meal for lunch and sit down for a world-class Italian dinner next. Come find your niche among dazzling temples, eclectic markets, gleaming palaces, ritzy shopping malls, a famous nightlife, and the many things in between. Experience all the things. Make it this trip a sensational culinary journey and tasty experiences that awaits in Bangkok. Experience all the things. Make it this trip a sensational culinary journey and a tasty experience awaits you in Bangkok. Guaranteed to delight your taste buds. Everyone always comes home talking about. Bangkok has something for everyone. It's an exciting, affordable city that is much more than your gateway into Thailand. Bangkok never ceases to amaze.